Creating tables in Word 2010 is really great. For example, I'm just going to press Control End on my keyboard to get to the end of the document, and then I might press Control Enter for a blank page. To insert a table, I'd go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and click the Table button. Then it's simply a matter of dragging across without holding the mouse button down and dragging down until you get the number of rows and columns you require. Or you can go to the Insert table if you require more rows and columns than this. But I'm just going to go for this table here, for example, a 4x5 table. As soon as I create a table, I'm given a Table Tools Design tab and a Table Tools Layout tab. These are contextual tabs. If I click under the table and away from the table, they disappear because I'm out of context. As soon as I click in the table, they reappear because I'm back in context. With regards to changing the design of my table, I've got all sorts of gallery options that I can just rest over and see what they look like. And there are a lot more than just these. For example, I can hit the drop down. Let me just scroll down for a second. Hit the drop down and roll over all of these to see what they would look like. And I'll go for this one. You can turn off and on the banded rows. These are banded rows, and I can turn them off, and I can turn on banded columns, or I can turn them off and turn back on banded rows, or have both. It's completely up to you. All the formatting options that you need should be in the Design tab, such as borders and shading. But when it comes to layout, that's under the Layout tab. You've got easy buttons like to insert below, 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 and you can easily add rows and columns. I can easily insert a column just by clicking and inserting to the left or inserting to the right. All the layout changes should be quite easy to find in here if you're used to using tables. Little things that I find particularly good in 2010 is increasing the height of a row. In 2003 we had to do this manually for each and every row, and it was extremely painful. But if I click this button to select the entire table and I go to the height, I can increase the height of all the rows to 1 centimetre. I can also choose this button to centre vertically and horizontally anything I type in this table. So it's so much easier and much more powerful than 2003.